So today I am doing a Coach unboxing. This is the present my dad got me for Christmas 2018, and it is a purse. I have no idea what it looks like. I don't know the color. It's a complete surprise. I have no idea what it looks like, so I am going to film my reaction to what's inside the box. Okay, so this is the box, and as you can see, it's all wrapped up and has not been opened. Paper galore. Alright, bag is in here. Unwrap it. Oh, it's black. Oh my god, that is so pretty. It is an amazing size. It's like the perfect size for me. Oh, it's so pretty. The light's not the greatest in here, but that's the Coach bag he got me. I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside and how the interior looks. Paper inside, typical. Oh, there's a chain in here in case I wanna wear it on my shoulders. The inside's pretty standard. It's got like pocket, another pocket right here, and then care instructions in there. Matte black interior. There's the stamp confirming that it's real. Yeah, that is the bag, and I absolutely love it. Gorgeous black. Alright, well, thank you, Dad, for that present, and I'm going to start transferring my stuff into this one.